Hello everyone, welcome to Ritu Stories. Today is a nice windy morning. The monsoons have just started. I have got so many requests after doing the lehenga video and the mango chicken video to do a garden tour. So here it is. Welcome to my garden. First of all, let me tell you that I'm really sorry for bringing the video so late. I guess it's been 1 month now since my last video. So I had some personal issues which's been taken care of now. So I'm back to YouTube. So now coming to the gardening aspects, I think it goes without saying that I absolutely adore plants. If you follow me in my Instagram, which I'm going to provide a link below down in the description box, you will know that I am more into vegetable gardening. I'm not much into flowers. So yeah, I'm not a flower loving girl, self-admitted truth. Since I stay in Delhi, we have a limited amount of space there, but that's not the case here. Here we have abundance of space. So let me take you to the green corner of our house. Come with me. According to ancient Ayurveda, Tulsi is a must-have plant in every household. It's an easy growing plant which has many medicinal benefits. During these COVID times, you can just pluck 2-3 leaves in a day and have it. It will help you in boosting your immunity. You can also have the purple basil. The tulsi needs to be watered every day during the summers, but in the winters, please water it once in 5 days. Tulsi loves sunlight. If you want such lush greenery leaves, you can use Epsom salt as a fertilizer, which helps to produce chlorophyll. So this part is the vegetable gardening. Here we have the lady's finger or the okra growing. Bhindi, ladyfinger, okra, whatever you call it. So I generally grow them in 11-inch pots in Delhi. The okra grows really fast. There is a sugary substance that comes out that actually attracts ants and mealybugs. So we need to wash them properly. I use a shampooing solution to remove them. The okra loves really hot and humid climate. It requires a very hot climate for its flowers to bloom. Since there's a good sun in Bengal right now, it's the perfect time for growing okras. My father harvests almost 5 to 10 okras every single day. You can even use vinegar, that's also a good treatment. One plant that I have recently started is called the jhinge or the Indian ridge gourd. In fact, I'll suggest you to start any one of the gourds, whatever you feel like, if you have 5 hours of sun and not more than that. If you can see here that there are many leaves which are burnt. So this is because of the extreme exposure of sun. We have made a cage here, as you can see. Since the gourds are a creeper, it will actually help the gourds to climb and the fruits or the vegetables can fall below in the shade. So this is how the gourds grow, and it's a perfect way, and every day we are harvesting 1 or 2 gourds in this small little space you can see. Next, let's hop on to the eggplant or the brinjal garden. Brinjals thrive well in hot and humid weather, hence summers are an excellent time to plant brinjals. The temperature should always be above 30 degrees. The humidity in the monsoon time also helps in boosting seed germination, hence you can also plant it now. They have coarse, rough leaves, as you can see here. Nobody talks about it, but the flowers of eggplants are equally adorable. You can even grow brinjals in your terrace garden if you have direct sunlight. I have grown them in 14-inch pots. Harvesting any plant is such a joy. I had planted these 3 months back when the lockdown started, and now, as you can see, they are loaded with brinjals. I'm so fortunate to have a mango garden in my house. I mean, it's like a dream come true. When I tell this to my friends, they just get so jealous. I just can't tell it. I'm loving this. The mango season is almost completed, sadly. So these are all started from saplings almost 5 years back, and look how huge they have grown. So this is the Alfonso. No matter what people say about desi mango trees, this is the sweetest mangoes that you will ever get. These are the Himsagar from Bengal. The last one there you can see, that is a Mollika which actually blooms twice in a year. And this one here is the lychee plant. Disclaimer, lychee is my favorite fruit. Unfortunately, I could not have this. By the time I arrived, the lychee season was almost over, so everything was consumed by squirrels. Now, isn't that a sad story? These are the small chili plants, or as you call, and these type of chili is known as the dhani. It's extremely spicy. So this and tomatoes, I'll say that they are the beginners for growing any edibles. They are really easy to grow. So I know that many people will tell me that what's the point of growing chilies, because you can't grow them enough. You'll anyways have to go to the market and buy them. But trust me on this, guys, when you grow something from the seeds and they start sprouting, and finally when the chilies come up, it gives you a huge sense of achievement. Please try growing a small little plant at home and you'll definitely know what I'm trying to say. The ingredients for today's lunch is ready now. This is actually a poisonous plant which in native is known as the colcay tree or the Cascabella thevetia. This is cultivated widely as an ornamental plant. It's also known as the yellow oleander. Bel ka sharbat is best for summers as a morning drink as it acts as a cleanser for your digestive system. Although all of these are raw now and will probably take a month or so to get ripe. So I realized that the video is going way too long, so I'll probably do a part 2 regarding the foliage plants and the flowers. So stay tuned to my channel. Please like and let me know in the comment section whether you want more such gardening videos, and please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Goodbye for now. I'll see you next week. Bye bye.